Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You plug the phone into the PC with a reliable USB cable, and if the glass is dead, attach an OTG mouse to unlock and navigate. Once unlocked, make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled. This gives the PC control and lets ADB speak to the device. If a prompt appears on the phone to allow USB debugging or file transfer, tap Accept. Without that permission, the PC cannot mirror or copy files, so act immediately to grant access. You next install ADB and a mirroring client like SCRCPY, because SCRCPY gives low-latency control and file transfer ability. Once installed, open a terminal and run a DB devices to confirm the phone appears. If it lists as unauthorized, return to the phone and accept the prompt. Then run SCRCPY and the device screen will stream to your PC. You can click, type, and drag as if on the phone. If SCRCPY fails, try Visor or update drivers. Those tools work slightly differently but achieve the same. You now use the mirrored display to transfer photos, backup app data, or complete logins, drag files, or use a DB pull for large folders. Once finished, revoke USB debugging and developer options if you prefer tighter security and safely eject the device from the PC. If things go wrong, device not recognized, try a different USB cable and port, reinstall phone drivers on the PC, or connect an OTG mouse to accept permissions on screen. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.